the best way I explain it is like you trying to build a house without the tools. I can give you the tools, but you still have to build the house. A lot of people, you know what they say to me? They say, can you do more cold calling videos? And I say, it's not beneficial for you. Because it's not. I hate to compare like this, right? But it's basically like saying like, oh, you know what? Ronaldo takes free kicks. Maybe not now, maybe 10 years ago. He takes free kicks. You know what? Can you take more free kicks so I can watch you? So when I come and stand, I'm going to take free kicks like that as well. Brother, it's not the same. I've been doing it for 10 years. You know what I mean? When I pick up the phone to 10 companies, I'm getting jobs with 5 companies. I know this stuff inside out, right? Now, it will motivate you. It will make you feel like you could do it too, but you can't mimic me with 10 years experience. Like, it's just not possible. So what's the solution? The solution is get going. Because ain't nothing changing until you do something. So put in the reps, do the actions, tweak, refine in your process, and you will get better and better. 4 years later, you will say, wow, I can't believe how far I've got. The same way today, you're sitting here 3 months later, and 3 months you, Aman, would have been like, man, I'd be love to be in your situation today. 3 years later, you'll be like, bro, I can't believe I didn't know that I would get here in 3 years later.